Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to Sunya IAS. I hope you all are doing really great, guys. Now the time has come, and as we have promised that on 1st October 2022, we are going to launch a full course on agriculture optional, guys. So here we are, fulfilling our promise. Yes, guys, we are launching a full-fledged foundational course, not a crash course, but a foundational course on agriculture optional, guys. Through this video, I'll be telling you, highlighting all the important aspects and details of this particular course, that how it is going to help you, what unique we have brought, all your queries like when the course will be over, what will be the cost of the course, and like what will be the mode of lecture delivery. Everything will be cleared, guys. Just be patient and be with me for few minutes. Before going ahead, I want to address the importance of agriculture. As you might be knowing, most of you might be knowing, but still few students are dicey or like underconfident about this option, mainly because non-availability of teachers, non-availability of content really making this particular optional hard to grasp. But don't worry, guys, we have launched this course. This will not only make you conceptually sound. This course will not only make you conceptually sound, but also you will be able to have these concepts on your fingertips. That means I have focused upon the rectification aspect also. Why rectification aspect? Because in the mains examination, when you will be having only 7 to 8 minutes for particular question, for each question you will be having not more than 7 to 8 minutes, you have to divulge out all the information in this particular time. So at that point of time, you should have concepts on your fingertips, guys. I'll explain you in the lecture how we are going to learn things and what will be our approach. But before that, the importance of agriculture is that it is the least competitive subject, guys. What do I mean by that? I'll tell you. Also, the success rate is high, and this I am not telling, I am stating this from the official data published by UPSC, that in civil services mains examination 2019, from agriculture only 125 124 students appeared, whereas if you see anthropology, more than 1000, PSIR more than 1600, sociology more than 1200, guys. And the success rate you see is one of the best in agriculture. Also, this opting this agriculture will open up the gates of other examination. For example, you are not only competitively sound for CSE, but also you can go for Indian Forest Service, because here you cannot choose any social science subject. For example, Anthro, PSIR, you cannot choose these subject over here, but it has agriculture as a subject. So IFS, one subject is ready for you. It will open up the gate for state pieces plus forest service examination of state. For example, they conduct exam for ranger, forest ranger. They conduct exam for ACF. So they also require. They also don't permit social science as a subject. Here, agriculture is also an option. So with this particular optional, several gates are opening up for you guys. That's the importance of agriculture I am highlighting, because I don't want you people, of a few of the people, to get dicey or underconfident about it. Just be short, guys. This subject will definitely sail you through. So what this course is all about, and what we will what we'll be offering you in the course, is two things, guys. Again, I'm saying that we have not only focused on the concepts. It is our duty to make your concepts crystal and clear, but we have also focused upon the concept of rectification. Whatever we will be studying in 1 hour or 2 hour, we will be focusing on these two things. For example, if the question directly comes in the exam, like what is dry land farming or dry land agriculture, and what are the constraints? I'm just taking an example. So are you coming up with the dry land agriculture definition first instantly? Are you having the keywords that this is the type of agriculture where cultivation of crop is done mainly or completely on dependent on rain? Are you coming up with the categories of dryland farming like dry farming, dryland farming, and rain-fed farming, and what are the conditions of these particular uh, categories? Are you coming up with the constraints like climatological constraints, soil constraints, weed management problems? Are you coming up with as many as 5 to 6 points? Because this is a subjective exam. Here this is not objective exam where you will see the question, you will remember it. Okay, so things should be on your fingertips, and in every lecture I have like made the guiding light as PYQs as our guiding light plus syllabus. These two will be our guiding light, guys. In every lecture we will discuss them, and also whatever we have studied we will revise them then and there only. So whatever I'll be teaching you, it will be on your fingertips. That is my promise to you. Also, you'll be getting notes, PPTs I have made myself from the recommended sources like BD Singh, Arun Katyan, right? PYQs, as I've told you, will be discussed. PYQs of not only civil services but those have come like in IFOS also will be discussed to you, and it will be given to you also so that you can analyze it in every lecture, every topic we are doing. The best feature of this particular course, another best feature is personal mentorship, guys. And this personal mentorship is not in a particular slot like 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Anytime you are feeling any doubt, any query, you are feeling underconfident, 24 into 7 availability, guys. Because this is not college or school where you are like where you can like afford to like have fun. Here we are having certain objective, and we also know that how important it is for you. So 24 into 7 personal mentorship will be available to you guys. Generally, paper 1, if you will see in this manner, it is written in the UPSC syllabus. But what we have done is we will divide this paper 1 into 8 units in the form of this agroecology part. This is very simple part. You should not start at this particular agriculture subject from here, right? You should start agriculture from first of all understanding what is soil, this unit number 5. Then you should go for soil and water conservation. After you have understood soil, its physical, chemical, biological properties, its distribution, its soil forming factors, its soil forming processes, then you go for soil and water conservation. Now, guys, what I meant again, I'm telling you. For example, if in the exam directly the question coming that what are the different soil forming factors, and you are not coming up with this chlor PT. What do I mean? That this mnemonics will directly help you to remember the points: climate, origin, relief, parent material, time. Are you understanding? And don't worry about this. This all will be remembered in the class itself, guys. So I'll not leave up to you guys to remember this. This is my duty, that I'll also make the mnemonics on your fingertips forever. Third part you should go for. First, you have understood this unit number 5, then unit number 6, then you will study agronomy, that how different crops are being cultivated. Because now you have knowledge of soil, and now you know that how to conserve soil and water. Then you go for weed management, weed science. In weed science, management of weed is very important. Are you coming up with different flowcharts like cultural, biological, chemical, and physical or mechanical methods of controlling weed? Here, are you coming up with like five points? If you are coming up with this, then you are in the right direction. Otherwise, there is no use, right, guys? Then you can opt like then you can do any particular topic of this particular paper one. So likewise, paper 2 is also divided into 7 topics. We will see it, and two things that this course will also ensure that all the parts of the syllabus will be on your tips plus the PYQs. Because you will see when you will analyze it, you will see that 70 to 80% of the paper is coming from PYQs itself, because they don't have that much room to create new question, guys. This is the pattern. This is not only in agriculture, but this is in all of the options, guys. For example, here you are seeing weeds part, weed science. This much syllabus is of weed science. So they will directly ask the cultural, biological, chemical control. Directly out of this, either they will ask the three methods or they will ask particular one method. So whatever written in the syllabus, we have to have some content on our fingertips related to it. All right, guys. So if you have any query, like the mode of lecture delivery will be in English only, and it will be like the timeline. We will be completing this paper one in mid-October, guys. Till mid-October. That means today is 1st October till 15th October. All these lectures will be available to you. Right now, there are 5 units that has been completed. You can watch these units till 15th October. This whole paper one will be completed, and paper two will be completed by mid-November. So I am not taking your 4 or 5 months. I'm just taking your 2 months in which I'll make you conceptually plus rectification of those concepts. Also, you are getting 1 month free, which you can do test series, which will be available to you, right? Not in this particular course, but test series will be available to you soon. So if you have any other queries, guys, you can contact this number, Telegram, WhatsApp. I'll be answering all your queries. And be sure about this optional, guys. Something we expect from you is 100% concentration. And when you have opted for this optional, don't be dicey, guys. Give your 100%. Trust in us and this optional, and we will help you out to sail you through this exam. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the class.